I have to drink water. Sorry. Oh shit, it's in my eye. Oh. If you cannot tolerate spicy, don't eat this. Hi everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge. Now I was in the supermarket and I was going through some stuff. I saw this packet and it says it's 2 times spicy. Then I put a poll on Instagram asking you guys if I should do it or no, and majority of you guys said that yes, I should do it. But then after I got a lot of messages from people, some said it's not at all spicy and some said ooh, it's really spicy. So I in general love spicy food, and usually when I'm eating, you know, the Maggi normal masala noodles, I put 2 spoons of red chili powder and then hot and sweet sauce in it. So I'm really looking forward to this. I hope it is spicy enough for me. So this is the hot chicken flavor. I don't know what this says, but it says it's 2 times spicy, and then there is a naughty chili laughing over here. So I'm really looking forward to trying out this thing. So I'm going to try to finish everything because I have not had breakfast and I'm hungry since morning. So yes, let's give it a go. So it says here that I have to lift off the lid and then add boiling water to the inner line and cover the lid for 4 minutes. Drain the water, put in the liquid sauce, put in the flake and well mix to serve. And it says well mix to serve, so it's like do it at your own risk. So so now I'm going to take this off, put the lids, everything inside, remove the lid, put all the sauces inside, and I'm going to see you in a bit. So I put the water inside the noodles, I drained it. So here are the noodles. So I thought why not put the sauce packet in front of you. So they have given 2 sauce packets. Here is the liquid one and here are the chili flakes. So I'm going to put both of them. Okay. Oh, it's messy. Guys, I think I'll do it off camera properly because I don't have a table over here. I'm going to do it properly and then show it to you guys. Alright, so guys, I'm back. I mixed it. Let me just show you. I'm so ready to give this a try. I have a feeling that I might actually like it because it smells really good. I just hope the noodles are well cooked. Okay, I'm just going to lower the camera a bit so that you can see the cup. Here goes. Okay, it is spicy. It's hot, not even spicy, but it's a good kind of spice. I like such spice. My lips are like slightly, you know, I can feel the spice basically. I have a bottle of water here in case, but I'm going to try to finish these noodles without drinking water till the end, because usually when I have spicy noodles I make sure I have water or something, you know, cold near me. So if you are a person who doesn't like spicy, I'm going to tell you stay away from this. But one thing, the noodles are like really good. They're not breaking off. I won't lie, it is spicy, but I'm actually enjoying it. I can feel the water in my eyes right now. But one thing, it's really tasty. It's delicious. I cannot talk. I think I'm just going to concentrate on the food. I really like how the noodles are long. Okay, if you cannot tolerate spicy, oh shit, it's in my eye. Oh. If you cannot tolerate spicy, don't eat this. Because I in general love spicy. Okay, sorry guys, I have to drink water, sorry. I cannot believe this. I love spicy food and this is, I mean, I'm liking the taste but the tears aren't stopping. But no, I'm still going to eat it. I'm going to do it for the video. So make sure you guys subscribe to show me some support. Okay. I know you all are going to call me crazy, but I'm actually enjoying the taste. Yeah, the taste is really good, but I don't know what's wrong with my eyes. The taste is actually really good, and after a time your tongue goes numb, so you don't feel the spice that much. Oh shit. Oh. Come on Ruma, you can do it. There's no much left. Cannot find a napkin for me to wipe my tears. They're like खुशी के आंसू guys, not दुख के. Okay, there's like a little left, so I'm going to finish it. I am going to do it because I'm not a quitter. One, two, three. It's good, it's good. If you love spicy, I know tears are rolling down my cheeks. People are going to cringe at me after looking at this video. It's not that I didn't do any tayari. I did tayari. I watched many other YouTube videos, but it didn't seem bad. Last bite. There is a little sauce left. I'm going to drink it. Okay guys, I'm done. Okay, I'm going to wipe my tears properly and see you guys in a bit. Sorry guys, I didn't realize it was all over my face. So sorry about that. So yes guys, I completed the spicy noodle challenge. I'm very happy. It is spicy, so I would recommend you try it only if you want to and only if you love spicy. So yes guys, I'm going to end my video here. If you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed looking at me and watching me suffer, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to show some support. And yes, I will be back soon with some more fun videos for you guys to watch. Bye.